a tutorial on how to connect the Movnorm series monitors to the red KOMODO-X camera via a Wi-Fi connection. Applicable models: BM5 for WR and BM7 to DS. First, connect the SDI cable to the camera's SDI port and the monitor's SDI in port. Then set the input signal on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Click Settings. Click Input. Set the input signal to SDI. Next, set up the camera settings. Tap the menu. Select Monitoring. Select SDI. Set the resolution to Full HD and the frequency to 59.9 Hz. If these parameters are not set correctly, image issues may occur. Then return to the upper menu. Change mode to Ad Hoc. Select Ad Hoc. And set the band to 2.4 GHz. Remember the camera password. Note: the SSID must either be the default name or begin with Komodo. Otherwise, the monitor may fail to receive the camera's Wi-Fi signal. Now, let's check how to pair the connections. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Select the external devices. Tap Wi-Fi and enable Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device. Select your device. Correctly input the device password. And tap OK to complete the connection. In the camera control interface, tap Rack to enable or unenable camera recording. Click Iris to adjust the aperture. Click Shutter to adjust the shutter. Click ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus to enable the monitor touch focus. In AF mode, you can enable touch focus. In MFS mode, you can switch focus via the screen buttons. Click FPS to change the camera from rate. Click CT to adjust the color temperature. Click EV to adjust the exposure value. Click on the current resolution and aspect ratio to select the shooting resolution and aspect ratio. That's the tutorial about how to connect the red KOMODO-X via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.